Well, it was a blizzard earlier. Look at my gazebo. I tried to get a new hard top, but they're not in stock right now. But yeah, we had a blizzard, but it's not going to last long. The yellow flag's still growing. And that little clump is the marsh marigold that was getting ready to bloom, but the cold won't hurt it. Yeah, so we had a little snowstorm. It was quite the blizzard earlier, but it's all starting to melt a bit, because March, nothing stays too long. Winter can't survive March. Summer sun coming. I had that net put up because it was blowing like crazy leaves. You just hang them and spread them. But it was okay. I didn't get the other ones down. It was a hurricane, but everything turned out okay. Yeah, so that's today. It's still cold and windy. It's not cold. It's barely just below freezing, but that's what happens. There goes the roof. I know. I was going to get a new one because that one has a hole in it. But they're not in stock. They're probably stuck on that ship in the Suez. They'll be in stock in May and I'll get a nice hard top. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Snowstorm in Canada.